your seatbelt in.
Yeah.
And then it's more freewheeling.
Okay. Hey Ben, you want to put that bed up again?
Always go talk to those guys. They always give you the scoop on what's going on. Yeah. Hit park fine, tell you. It's just a difference. Shop guys, here's one thing if you haven't heard about it already. Being there's just park, reverse, and drive. There's no neutral. If you need to move one, say the battery's dead or whatever, if you try to tow it or push it, it's right below the shifter, and it says neutral right on it.
Pretty slick.
So I noticed
Charge your phone?
upper light.
Not yet.
So that's an upper light, and then what do we have up there?
That's for that rear light
Okay.
on the back.
Oh, I see.
Oh yeah, throw it in a little cup holder. That'd be wicked.
All right, so I got my buddy CJ in here. We're gonna be driving the brand new Ranger 1500. Wanted to try out this new shifter, so they say this is pretty smooth. So right now we're in park. There we go. So off the get-go, first thoughts, it is very, very smooth. We don't get any of that belt lurch at all, do we?
Not at all.
Yeah. And it's super quiet.
That's the first thing I noticed.
Wow. Yeah, definitely. It's got some get up and go.
Power. Very quiet, very little vibration.
Yeah. Let's do this. I'm gonna pull this down. And you and I can have a simple conversation in here, and we're not. So even if we drive around with the windows, with that front window down, we don't get any kind of cabin noise
At all.
like what we're kind of used to. Reverse, park, reverse, drive. No more muscle in it.
That's so much. Yep.
Just their new lock and ride.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty good secure system. I mean, the old lock and ride was good,
You're kind of.
but with the rubber plungers, you'd get a little sway to some of the different accessories. So this is where this sits. So box capacity. Overall length, you gain about 16 inches from the XP1000. And some of that is in the cab, giving it a little more cab room. And a lot of it's in the box. You can see the box, you gain a ton of room in the box. And the tailgate, more like a pickup truck tailgate. There's no more plastic latch systems or nothing, it's all metal. And it's very, very secure. Go ahead.
The sprayer's in the arm.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, instead of having to worry about.
Yeah, set them up here. And you gotta, even that thing's heavier than the. Oh yeah, yeah, it'd be almost impossible. It'd be a big leg one. Yep. And basically, if you're in drive, but you're going